A frozen solitaire cash tournament bracket usually means the app is not showing updated progress correctly, so checking your connection, app status, and tournament details is the first place to start. By the end, you will know the steps to refresh a frozen bracket, what information to collect if the problem continues, and how to avoid confusion with your tournament progress. Start by closing the Solitaire Cash app completely and opening it again. This forces the app to reconnect and refresh the tournament information instead of keeping an outdated screen opened idle. Next, check your internet connection. Tournament results and bracket updates depend on the app communicating with its servers, so an unstable connection can prevent new information from appearing. If the bracket still looks frozen, check whether Solitaire Cash has an available update. App updates can fix problems related to loading screens, account syncing, and features not displaying correctly. You should also confirm that the tournament is still active. A bracket that appears unchanged does not always mean your progress is missing. Sometimes the issue is only that the information on the screen has not refreshed. Avoid repeatedly entering games or making changes while the bracket is frozen. Wait until the app displays the correct tournament information so your progress remains clear. If your tournament status does not update after refreshing the app, collect details before contacting support. Take screenshots of the frozen bracket, note when the issue happened, and include information about the tournament you were playing. A detailed support request helps the team understand whether the problem is related to your account, the tournament display, or a technical issue. You can also restart your device to refresh background processes that may affect app performance. After restarting, open Solitaire Cash again and check whether the bracket updates. Make sure you are using the official Solitaire Cash app and official support options when requesting help. Avoid sharing account details through public posts or unofficial channels. The main fixes are simple: restart the app, check your connection, update the app, confirm the tournament status, and provide clear details if support needs to investigate. Before joining another tournament, make sure your current bracket is displaying correctly, so you know your progress is being tracked. If this guide helped you fix a frozen Solitaire Cash tournament bracket, subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides and like the video for more quick fixes.